right, it's breakfast time. We're at the Inthira Hotel again, where we stay. So we're just having breakfast right now. So there we go. What are you having?
อันนี้คือปิ้งหมูสามชั้นแอนเจล
Jiao, like a
จำ
chili
พริก
paste.
อั
Yeah.
นนี้เจลมะเร็ง
Oh, some more
ออเรน
orange marmalade with vegetable and grilled pork. Have a dish of fruits, pineapple, papaya, watermelon. Of course, you have your sticky rice to pair it with your grilled pork and this other condiments. Yep.
ข้าวต้มหมูข้าวต้มหมู
Oh,
ข้าวต้มหมู
porridge with egg and pork with scallion and stuff like that. So, you put anything else in there? You put chili flakes. And what is this? That's fish. No, soy sauce. Soy sauce, chili paste, sugar, and lime. So you put the fish sauce in there and anything you want. And eat.
สุดยอด
Sunyot. Oh yeah? Your favorite? She likes that. Most breakfast, yeah. Egg yolk. So, a lot for breakfast, so. Oh, here we are at the hotel. The lobby. Bars, nighttime is a lobby bar light. That's to the front. This pool and all that stuff. We're on the 3rd floor. We'll probably check in again today. We're gonna probably stay here again today. So there's a coffee bar and everything like that over there. So there we go. Say bye. Bye.